Hello students. Today we are going to calculate the business income of Mr. Senthil. How we have to calculate means, first we have to take the net profit of the Mr. Senthil. With this, we are going to adjust the items, that is, whatever the expenses and income which are not related to the business, we are going to adjust with the profit. The format is very simple. We have to take net profit. With the net profit, you're going to add inadmissible expenses and you're going to deduct the inadmissible income. Why? Because the inadmissible expenses will reduce the profit that you're going to add back. And whatever inadmissible income is resulting to increase the profit, that's why you are going to reduce it from the profit. Okay, this is a one example of the problem which we are going to deal it today. This is the income of Mr. Senthil. The P&L account is given. So debit side all the expenses and credit side all the income is given. And his calculated net profit is 1,41,000. With this, you're going to add inadmissible expenses and inadmissible income, which you're going to deduct. Okay, in this three items are given as expenses: salary, income tax, and entertainment expense. If you see salary, which is admissible expenses, so you're not going to do anything with this. Income tax, which is not admissible, inadmissible expenses, so you're going to add it. Next is entertainment expenses. In general, there is no adjustment is there, then it is admissible expenses. But if you see down, there is adjustments are there in salary also, in entertainment expenses also. First, we will see that salary includes Senthil's salary of 30,000. So always the salary to the self, that is proprietor, will not be allowed. So it is inadmissible expenses to the extent of 30,000, which you are going to add it. Next, coming to the entertainment expenses, which includes 2,000, which is given to the relative who is a MLA. So MLA, MP, relative, whatever you are giving, that is not admissible. Only if it is given to the clients, then it is admissible. So this 2,000 is also inadmissible expense. So these two items, you are going to add it back with the net profit. Coming to the income side, gross profit, it is allowed. Dividend, it is not allowed. It is inadmissible income, which should go under the head, that is income from other sources. Okay, shall we move to the answer? How to calculate? First, we have to write the heading, taxable. 1 minute. It is very small in size. Taxable income from business of Mr. Senthil for the assessment year 23-24. Okay. Now, what is the first one? First, you are going to add the, I'm going to increase the size, font size. Okay. First, you are going to write the net profit as per P&L account. Now, how much we will be having two columns. One is inner column, another one is outer column. So the net profit you can write in the outer column 1,41,000, which is given in the P&L account. Next, you are going to add inadmissible expenses. Okay. So under this, if you see, like what are the inadmissible expenses we are having? Already we found that is one is salary, which is given to himself, that is proprietor, which is not allowed. Salary to Senthil. Okay. How much we will be writing in the inner column? That is 30,000. Next is income tax, which is not allowed. Income tax. Entire amount is not allowed. So I'm going to write the entire amount, that is 9,000. Next is entertainment expenses. Generally it is allowed, but it is given to MLA. That's why it is not allowed. Entertainment expenses, which is not allowed to the extent of only 2,000, because 2,000 only spent for MLA. Okay, that's all. Now you're going to write the total of the inadmissible expenses. That is how much? Total of total expenses, which is how much it is coming? 41,000. Okay, so now next is you're going to add these two things, add and write how much it is coming. It is coming 1,82,000. Next is we are going to deduct the inadmissible income. Less inadmissible income. Okay. So now we will see that how many expenses are there. Only one inadmissible income is there, that is dividend. Okay. So I'm writing in the inner column, but it is only one item. So I can write directly in the outer column. That is how much? 20,000, which is inadmissible income. Now, what is the net taxable income, business income? As per Income Tax Act, net taxable income from business. How much? That is 1,82,000 minus 20,000, 1,62,000. So this is the answer as per income tax. This is the taxable income from business. Okay, you can see the difference between the calculated income is 1,41,000, but as per income tax, the income is coming 1,62,000. So he has to pay the tax based on the taxable income only. I think it is very clear. You understood.